So the itel A90 is the latest A-series device from itel. It is an entry-level smartphone and a successor to the itel A80 from last year. This device has some notable changes. While it features a 13-megapixel camera, which might be a downgrade from its predecessor, the A90 is more affordable and also brings a better processor with improved AI integration. So in this video, I'll be showing you everything you need to know about the itel A90 and whether it is worth buying or not. And also make sure to follow and subscribe for more future updates. When I held the itel A90, I was really impressed by how smartphones brands are now designing entry-level smartphones in terms of software and build quality. With this ergonomic and nice-looking design of the itel A90, it looks and feels comfortable while holding it. Inside the box, you get all the essential accessories like the user manual, the charging cable, charging brick, SIM ejector pin, and a free phone case, which is said to be an anti-drop case. It is also compatible with the MagSafe accessories. The itel A90 has a plastic body with a matte finish. However, the top left side of the camera features a kind glossy glass material, which I think is a fingerprint magnet. But more or less, the itel A90 has a trendy and modern look just like the other smartphones. It has bigger cameras that you can find also on expensive smartphones. And you have 4 color options for the itel A90. You have blue cosmic, green space, the titanium, and the starlit black. The itel A90 showcase a bright and a vibrant display, which is okay for social media consumption. It has 6.6 inches 720p Dynamic IPS LCD panel. As expected, the itel A90 has a thicker bezels, which is a common thing for budget-friendly smartphones. The display has 60Hz refresh rate by default, but you can switch it to 90Hz if you want. Furthermore, you can view content in up to 1080p on this device. Plus the 800 nits brightness, you can still see the display while using the phone outdoors. One of the coolest features of this smartphone is the always-on display, a feature we usually see on AMOLED display. You can also select your preferred style for the always-on display in the settings. It comes with a 4GB RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage, also expandable via microSD. It also supports memory fusion, allowing you to expand your RAM up to 8GB. On the left side, you find a dual SIM tray and a microSD card slot for further memory expansion. The itel A90 isn't designed for high-demanding tasks or heavy users, but it delivers good performance for everyday usage. It is powered by the Unisoc T7100 octa-core processor, which is ideal for browsing, scrolling through social media, chatting, or other basic usage. The gaming performance with the itel A90 can be able to handle basic games smoothly without lag. If you play graphics-intensive games, well, it can run, but you have to set it in low settings. Just keep in mind that this is not a gaming phone. You may notice some lags when using this device on graphics-intensive games. In terms of audio quality, the itel A90 has DTS audio effects for immersive sound. You can switch modes for better audio result and adjust the equalizer. Well, I'm impressed with the sound performance, but the sound quality isn't entirely good because it lacks bass. For the rear camera, the itel A90 features a 13-megapixel main camera with an AI lens, while the front has a 5-megapixel selfie camera. The pictures I took with these smartphones aren't bad, but don't expect too much from a budget device. With a good lighting setup, still you can get a decent shot from the itel A90 camera. The device runs on Android 14 with itel OS 14. I can say that the OS of this itel A90 looks very similar with the Tecno's HiOS, and I find it okay. Just like the other smartphones, this itel A90 has integrated AI features. And their AI system is called Alvana. You can activate her by pressing or long pressing the power button for a few seconds, just like that. You can ask her anything, or you can let her summarize your screen, write emails, play music, and etc. The itel A90 has an IP54 rating for water and dust resistant. It also comes with an anti-wet hand feature, meaning you can use it even if your hands are wet or oily. For the device security, you have a side-mounted fingerprint scanner at the right, which is very quick and responsive. Also, the itel A90 has a massive 5000 mAh battery that can last a full day on a single charge. It also comes with a 15 watts fast charging. Another cool feature, while charging your phone on a landscape mode, you will see this clock widget appears, which is very similar with the iPhone standby mode or clock mode. It will also automatically stop charging your phone once full, unlike most budget smartphones in this category. Overall, the itel A90 is a budget entry-level smartphone, ideal for low-end users, average users, light gamers, and for people who are into media consumption. However, if you are a heavy user who wants good camera quality and high performance, the A90 is not for you. Now my question is, would you buy the itel A90? Let me know in the comments.